tomorrow. They're singing in my veins, a symphony of courage that drowns out all the pain. The road is wild and twisted, but I'll never lose my way. Each heartbeat is a rhythm that drives the night away. The stars are dancing, lighting up the blue, a universe of dreams.
I saw the stars fall through the sky. A spark of hope began to fly.